Alright people, it is deadline day, and guess what? Shamar Nicholson has finally found a club. He was linked to clubs in Germany, France, Spain, Italy. They have linked. Valencia is one of the clubs that he was linked to. Watford in England. So much connection to Shamar Nicholson. Has finally made a move into the first division. Big up people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully guys are doing good. We're going to get some information, a little more details surrounding the Shamar Nicholson transfer. Big up on yourself people, hopefully guys are doing good. So people, you already know Shamar Nicholson so far we have made quite a lot of moves in his short career, because he's quite young, you know people, he's relatively young. And he has made quite a lot of moves. Now, Shamar Nicholson starting off in Jamaica Premier League. Starting playing Jamaica Premier League at an early age, 16 for Boys Town. Moved from, well, he played for Trenchtown High School. Moved to Boys Town Premier League Football Club. And went to MK Domzale, Spartak Charleroi, then Spartak Moscow. Sporting Charleroi, Spartak Moscow, and then now Clermont Foot. Now, the big aspect of this is, is this a good move for him? Is this a big move for him? Is this the right move for him? So those are the questions. Very much, we're hard happy for him making another move, actually leaving Spartak Moscow. But on the balance of things, Spartak Moscow is actually a more traditional club than Clermont Foot. But that's football. That is football. Sometimes things happen. Oh guys, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get into some details, people. So Shamar Nicholson as official Clermont signed Jamaican striker Shamar Nicholson from Spartak Moscow. Clermont have this Friday announced the arrival of their 7th signing of the summer window in Jamaican striker Shamar Nicholson. Was joined on an initial loan from Spartak Moscow. The deal includes an option to make the move permanent at the end of the campaign. So once those details are conditions are met, he will make that move permanent. The 26-year-old, who was 40 caps for Jamaica, has notably crossed paths with current Clermont defender Maximiliano Correferes during his season together in the Russian capital in 2022, during which they won the Russian Cup. Nicholson broke onto the scene by scoring 31 goals in 81 appearances for Charleroi in Belgium, but has only found the net 3 times in league for Spartak Moscow. Clermont are now currently bottom of League One, having struggled to replicate the form that they saw them win 8 out of 10 games at the end of last season. So far, they only scored twice in the new campaign. Now, big point people, bottom of the table at this present moment. Now, we could definitely say that, not because they're at the bottom of the table, no, means that they're going to stay at the bottom of the table. The problem is, they were struggling last season. And this season, they went, as you can see, that they went on a big run last season to maintain themselves in the league. Now this season, they have started off on the same path. Nevertheless, their main problem is goal scoring. And that's one of the reasons why they're bringing Shamar Nicholson. Let's see if Shamar Nicholson can bridge that gap to give them more goals and maybe register more W's on the table. Very important. Remember also that Shamar Nicholson haven't really played much game. Will he go right into the team? Will he need a bit of training to be match sharp, or to keep that level of match fitness or match sharpness, or regain match sharpness? So these are very important aspects that we need to look at. But big move for Shamar Nicholson. A lot of people are happy that he's out of the Russian league. I don't know. But setback definitely to make another move. Let's see how this one persists. This is very interesting. The French league is actually ranked 5th or 6th in world rankings right now. So very big test for him. It's a huge test for him. So we will see how this one goes. Hopefully this can definitely propel his career to a higher heights. I really wish it does. And we see Shamar Nicholson back on the score sheet, banging in goals as what we're knowing him for. Big up on yourself, people. Big up yourself, Shamar Nicholson, on this move. Well done again. Big up, people. Hit the like button, hit subscribe button. Tell us what you think about this one in the comment section, people. Big up on yourself. MG Sports TV. We're out. Boom.